see that dinosaur face?
Hit it, baby, hit it.
Thing up. What? Yeah. Hey, Dad?
Okay, you done?
All right, next one.
One more. Big one. Big one. Oh,
There
yeah.
you go.
Okay, next.
The one first.
Good job. I got this. Okay? You stay back here. When the candies come out, you gotta get them, okay? Okay.
It's full of candy. You gotta grab it.
Back up, guys. No, no, no.
Gotta wait though.
Back up, back up, back up, back up. Okay.
Hello.
Hello. Come on, Aiden.
Yeah. Actually, ate it. Good hit.
Awesome.
Three more.
One. Two.
Yeah. That's Grandma.
Aiden's turn. What's happening? It's getting dark.
Aiden's up.
All right, guys, back up.
Everybody back up.
Back up.
Woo!
Back up. Back up. 5 more steps back.
One,
Okay.
2.
Good hit.
Cool.
Yeah.
Ooh, good shot.
How come it's not breaking yet?
It's tough.
They take forever.
Yeah.
They really honestly do.
Dad? Dad?
Yeah.
Nice
Nice. All right.
Okay.
Ready? Next.
Next guy.
I love it.
Bust it
Good
open.
job. You
High five.
Speed it up pretty good.
Come on, go down.
How did you do that to your leg? Were you climbing on it or did you bump into it? Oh, you lost the bet. Stay back,
Get
Aiden.
it.
Come on back.
Let me get a hit.
There's your pump. Stay back. Oh, there you go.
I might loosen it up a bunch.
All right. Oh, there you go.
Next. Maya's turn.
Maya.
Your turn.
No, you wait.
Not
There's
yet.
only a couple things. There's gonna be a lot more.
Hit it, Maya.
Hit it hard.
Hit it.
Hit it again.
Keep the candy.
Hey,
Hit it hard.
Almost done.
Big.
Knock it down.
Oh.
Knock it down. Keep going.
She's contemplating. Do I want?
Yeah, do it.
Yay.
Hit it. Get more. One more.
Hit it hard.
Okay.
All right, next.
Okay. You? All right. You guys got back up.
All right, get back. Back up.
Back up.
Back up, Maya.
Are you videotaping me?
Yes.
Aw, thanks.
Hit it big.
Wait
Hit it big.
until everyone's ready.
One more. Crack it in half. Get it big.
Hold on.
One more. There it is.
There you go. Go get your candy. Go get your candy. Oh, there's some in the head.
Where'd Jesse go?
Liquor store.
Over here.
Maya, pick up candies from the floor.
I think we picked up a toy.
Maya, hurry up.
Hurry up, pick them up, Maya.
Ooh, this is gonna get the fire pit going good.
There you go. Use your rope back. Oh, wait, light sticks?
Put them in like that
Yeah, I think so.
That's
That one's
straw.
straw. Oh, okay.
It's straw, and in the middle they got yeah, it's straw with glow stick in it. It's a straw though.
Cool. The straw with a glow stick. Cool.
Oh man, I got on the bus.
There you go.
I got.
The glow stick.
Whip off, yes.
Straw that you can get it to glow. Put it in your bag.
Oh, rapping. Yes. Oh, I got dragon.
Alright, there's stuff all the way over here too still. There's
Oh. Nice pile. Woohoo! Booms!
Scratch my back.
Scratch your
My
back.
back.